everybody, Raina here, and welcome back to another video. Whoa. Where today it is the 4th of July, and let's do this. There are some fireworks over there. That's my mom driving. Hi. Oh, look at that, guys. It's amazing. Mom, is it getting the fireworks? Look on my screen. Perfect. Whoa, look at that. It's amazing. Look at this. So many fireworks. It is awesome. There's a singing in the background. Anyway, so look at all that firework stuff. Okay. I'm gonna roll up the window. Mama! Stop telling me to look big places. Fine, you hold it. Look at that, everybody. That's awesome. A nice little skin. Mom, give me my phone before you start driving. Look at that, guys. Fireworks galore. Can they see them? Can they see them, Mom? Can they see them now? Yeah. My viewers. I don't have that many. But Ashlyn subscribed. Okay, I'm making videos. I just spaced it. There's one over there. There's some over there. Sorry, I was whispering to my mom. I'm pretty sure you could hear me, but... Dun 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 dun. Look at that, guys. That looks amazing. All those fireworks and all those people watching the fireworks. There's none in front. Oh, there's some in front of us. That does look like it's raining. Wow, everybody, these fireworks are amazing. Oh yeah, Mom, I can't make a video past 15 minutes, so you need to watch the clock. Look at all those fireworks. It's awesome. Can they see them?
Yeah. Only light in the sky.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's a bunch in front of us, right in front of us.
I don't see any. Oh wow. These are way better.
We're gonna be gone from these in a second.
Well, at least I'll have a YouTube video on them. So I can watch it over and over again.
Over and over and over again?
Yeah. Whoa. Hey Mom, can you like all of my videos? Thanks.
Look, oh, you missed it. It was right there.
I know, I saw that. Oh.
Look at this bicycle with the blue wheels.
Ooh, bicycle with blue wheels. Look at that, guys. Woo. Anyway, look in front of us.